Hi everyone, I'm Vetri, SAP SOM consultant at Mobilutions. In the next few minutes, we are going to talk about subscription lifecycle automation and how it helps to reduce churn, not by discounts or any offers, but by handling subscription changes correctly. Across industries like telecom, SaaS, and utilities, customers don't leave because of any bad product. They leave because something went wrong when they changed their subscription. That's what we will focus on today's topic. Subscription lifecycle automation means managing every subscription changes end to end, automatically and accurately, from order to billing to revenue. There's one subscription record that controls everything, right from order, billing, invoicing till revenue recognition. Whenever a customer upgrades, downgrades, pauses, or resumes, a new version of contract is created. The historical data is protected. The changes apply only from the agreed date. Billing, proration, and revenue recognition are all handled automatically. So instead of people fixing errors after billing, the system gets it right the first time. Why subscription churns happen? Most churn is not due to customer dissatisfaction, it is due to poor subscription change handling. The example which you may recognize is mid-cycle upgrades, which causes billing shocks, downgrades, which remove benefits immediately. Temporary pauses are treated as cancellation. Add-ons not activated instantly. Price changes creating billing disputes, which may result in confused customers, revenue leakage, and avoidable churns. Here, the problem is not the customer. The problem is manual and uncontrolled process. Now, let's see how subscription lifecycle automation using SAP BRIM directly helps to reduce customer churn. First, controlled change management, which ensures that every upgrade, downgrade, suspension, or price change follows a predefined rule. This removes manual errors and avoid unexpected customer impact. Next, effective date accuracy, which means customers are charged only from the exact date a change is agreed. There are no backdated charges or billing surprises, which is one of the biggest reason customer lose trust. Then we have automated proration and invoicing. Any mid-cycle change like an upgrade or downgrade is calculated automatically and fairly. Customer pay only for what they actually use. Next, a key churn reducer is pause instead of cancel. Temporary suspension like travel, financial breaks, or deployment scenario allows customers to pause services instead of canceling it, which preserves the relationship between the business and customer. Finally, revenue and billing in sync, which ensures billing, invoicing, and revenue recognition stay aligned across the entire life cycle of the customer's contract, keeping both customer and the finance team confident. In short, BRIM turns complex subscription changes into smooth, predictable experience, which in turn reduces disputes, increasing trust, and ultimately lowering churns. SAP BRIM is an SAP solution designed to manage billing and revenue for complex pricing and subscription model. SAP BRIM manages billing and revenue at a scale. SAP Subscription Order Management or SOM is a part of BRIM which is the control tower of all subscription lifecycle. SOM decides what is being changed, when should be changed, and how it impacts the subscription. Think of SOM as a system that prevents mistake before they reach billing. Now let's make this real with an example. Imagine a US Army personnel who has an internet or mobile subscription at home. During deployment or long vacation period, they don't want to cancel the service permanently. They want to pause it temporarily and resume it when they return, Without subscription lifecycle automation, say in a manual or poorly designed system, the pause request is treated as cancellation. The subscriptions will be terminated. When the soldier returns, they must resubscribe, re-enter the details, possibly lose their old plan or pricing. Many customers never come back. This is a silent churn caused by bad process and not intended. Now let's see how SAP SOM handles it correctly. The customer request is temporary suspension. SOM marks the subscription as suspended, not terminated. An effective date is applied, say from the deployment start date. SAP BRIM automatically stops the recurring charges. The subscription, pricing, and history are all preserved. Months later, when the soldier returns, they request a resume. SOM reactivates the same subscription. Billing restarts automatically. No resubscription, no data loss, no manual work is required. Why this matters? From the customer's perspective, it's a fair treatment. No frustration in customer. No re-onboarding required. From the business perspective, no customer churn happens. No revenue leakage. No operational overheads. This is the power of pause instead of cancel, enabled by subscription lifecycle automation using SAP BRIM. Let's see the key benefits of using subscription lifecycle automation compared to manual process. With mid-cycle upgrades, manual system relies on hand-calculated proration, which often leads to billing surprises and disputes. BRIM automates proration from the effective date, ensuring clear and fair billing. For downgrades, custom logic can remove benefits immediately due to overrides. BRIM uses versioning to schedule downgrades correctly for the next billing cycle, avoiding customer frustration and churns. In temporary suspension, manual steps treat a pause like a cancellation, forcing customers to resubscribe. BRIM allow pause and resume without breaking subscription, helping retain customers. For price changes, manual handling creates inconsistency and audit risk. BRIM applies effective date pricing with built-in revenue compliance. On billing accuracy, manual processes require multiple corrections, while BRIM generates a single transparent invoice. Revenue recognition shift post-fact adjustment to automated audit-ready processing. Finally, operational efforts is drastically reduced, moving from high IT dependency to fully automated lifecycle management. To wrap up things, customers don't leave because they change plans. They leave because system mishandles those changes. With SAP SOM and SAP BRIM, changes are controlled, billing is accurate, revenue is compliant, and customer stays longer. Finally, if you control subscription changes, you can control customer churns. Thank you.